today was the kickoff for the Delegates training scheme in Rennes School of Business. We were very happy to invite all our delegates, 140 of these across all the school's programs. We wanted them to see that they are part of a community, that their voice counts, that they are important to the school.
Je trouve que c'est une fonction hyper intéressante. Au-delà d'être utile aux autres élèves, d'un point de vue personnel, c'est vachement intéressant, c'est très enrichissant.
So today's the third year that we're running our Delegates workshops because it's quite a stressful job to actually take on this role of delegates. And so each semester the delegates can choose a workshop of their choice and they can improve their interpersonal skills. So it's to help them be a delegate, but it's also to help them in companies and in their life in general.
Alors j'ai choisi le Public Speaking and Communication. C'était intéressant de se voir en fait en vidéo et de voir notre attitude, sur notre façon de capter l'attention.
J'en ressors assez enrichie. Ça a été très intéressant. On a appris pas mal de petits trucs très subtils et en même temps qui ont beaucoup d'importance. Donc franchement cool, très bien.
So these workshops are very important because we are offering the students with an opportunity to train themselves, and we're really happy to see that it has a lot of success and that students are always eager to come on a Monday evening and to train to become a best delegate really ever, and we really appreciate that. Their voice counts and we really want them to have that voice.